Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SSD is compatible and formatted as XFAT so iOS can read and write. Once done, plug the SSD into your iPhone 16 Pro Max with a good USB-C cable. Make sure a powered hub is ready if the SSD needs extra power. You should see an access prompt in Files, tap Allow. If Files doesn't appear, unlock your iPhone and check the USB settings. Once granted, you're ready to browse the drive and create a destination folder. You'll organize where to place content before moving it across. Create a clear folder structure on the SSD inside Files. Once done, select photos, videos, or documents and use Move or Drag and Drop to transfer. This avoids duplicates and preserves metadata. For long transfers, make sure your iPhone stays awake and the SSD receives steady power. Use a hub with pass-through when transferring many gigabytes. If you want incremental backups, copy new folders rather than overwrite to keep a rollback option. You finish by spot-checking a handful of files on the SSD to confirm integrity. Open videos and photos to ensure playback and metadata match. Once confirmed, close files, wait for writes to finish, and then disconnect the SSD. Use the powered hub's disconnect sequence if applicable. If things go wrong, first verify the SSD's format and power. Make sure the cable is data rated and try another port or hub. If recognition still fails, update iOS and retry. That usually results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.